In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your funnel or website builder. To get started, open the funnel or website builder where you want your video to appear. Make sure you're on the page you want to edit, because this will help you place the video in exactly the right section from the beginning. Adding video is a great way to make a page more engaging, explain an offer clearly, or keep visitors on the page longer. Once you're inside the editor, look for the plus button. This is the option used to add a new element to your page. Click it, and a list of available elements will appear. From that list, select Video. This will place a video element onto your canvas so you can begin configuring it. After the video element has been added, click directly on it in the canvas. This is important because it opens the element settings in the left sidebar. The sidebar is where you'll control how the video is connected and displayed. So if you don't see the video settings right away, just make sure the element itself is selected. Next, find the video type dropdown. This setting lets you choose the source of your video. Depending on where your video is hosted, you can select a platform such as YouTube, Wistia, Vimeo, or HTML5. Choosing the correct source matters because it tells the builder how to load and display your video properly. If your video is hosted on a specific platform, simply match that platform here before moving on. Once the correct video type is selected, paste in the video URL or the embed code provided by your video hosting platform. Be careful to paste the full and correct link or code so the video can load without issues. If you're using a direct URL, make sure it comes from the supported hosting source you selected. If you're using embed code, double check that it's complete and not missing any part. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. This final step updates the video element and connects it to your chosen video source. After saving, your video should now be added to the page and ready to display according to the settings you selected. If needed, you can always click the video element again later to make adjustments. And that's how to add a video to your funnel or website builder.